baby shark. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Let's blow bubbles, ready, start. Baby shark in the ocean blue. Found a wand, shiny and new. Dip it in and blow it slow. Wow, so many bubbles. Go, go, go. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Floating up, they never stop. Big and small, watch them fly. Color bubbles in the sky. One big bubble, oh so round. Lifted baby off the ground. Uh-oh, mommy, help me please. Floating high above the seas. Mommy shark just laughs out loud. Wave your fins and don't be proud. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Up you go and never stop. Wiggle, wiggle, down you drop. Splashy landing, bubble pop. Daddy shark says let me try. Blows huge bubbles to the sky. Grandma shark makes rainbow ones. Grandpa shark, 10 at once. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Family fun that never stops. Round and shiny, big and bright. Bubbles dancing left and right. Baby shark blew one too fast. Uh-oh, it grew super massive. It covered fish and coral too. Even Daddy shouted, woo! All together, clap, clap, clap. Bubble burst with a giant snap. Up, hop, bubble pop. Silly bubbles never stop. Laugh and splash and dance around. Bubbly fun is what we found. Now the bubbles drift away. Shiny at the end of day. Baby shark waves with a smile. Let's blow bubbles one more while. Pop, pop, bubble pop. We had fun, it's time to stop. Clap your fins and sing along. Bubbles make a happy song. Honk, honk, the bus is here. Baby shark sings loud and clear. Sit down safe, hold on tight. Let's ride together, feel so right. 5 little kids got on the bus. Laughing, jumping, making fuss. One stood up to wave goodbye. Oops, he bumped his head so high. No more standing on the bus. Sit down safely, join with us. 4 little kids riding away, talking loudly, wanting to play. One was running down the seat. Driver said that's not so neat. No more running on the bus. Sit and smile, don't make fuss. 3 little kids singing a song, but one was bouncing all too strong. He slipped and slid, oh no, oh dear, who's that? Baby shark said sit right here. No more bouncing on the bus. Ride it safe, no rush, no fuss. Put it! 2 little kids looking around. One dropped toys onto the ground. Baby shark said pick them slow. Safety rules you must know. No more dropping on the bus. Keep it clean and safe with us. One little kid all alone forgot the rules he should have known. Baby shark came with a smile. Let's sit safely for a while. Now all kids are sitting tight, smiling, happy, feeling right. No more chaos, no more fuss. Safe, safe riding on the bus. No more chaos, clap, clap, clap. Sit and ride, tap, tap, tap. Baby shark says be safe with me. Happy bus ride, 1, 2, 3. Happy bus ride, 1, 2, 3. 5 baby sharks were swimming around, eating everything they found. Burger here and apple a here. Yummy food is everywhere. Crunch, 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 what a bite. They eat all day and night. Crunchy snacks made him fall. Oh no, no, this is not all. So the jellyfish said in glow, eat healthy food, don't eat slow junk show. No more chips, no more fries. Eat fruits that are fresh and nice. Whoa! One baby shark was left alone, still eating snacks on his own bone. He tried one bite, then crashed. Oh no, house, he couldn't even swim below. So the wise old whale came near. Listen, baby shark, come here. Stop eating everything you see. Healthy food is the key. All baby sharks then learned the way. Healthy